Alright guys, it's time to review. Look at what came in the mail. Cyplus AL7. It's a smart tire inflator. Just came in the mail. Let's go quickly open this up. Alright, look at that. So they reach out, send me an email, and they said, hey, I'll be happy if you guys want to do a quick review on this product right here that I'm going to send you. And I said, sure, why not? Send it over. We'll do a quick review. So I heard this is fully charged already. All right, so they said it's a quick smart tire inflator because it's smart because there's a target range right here that we set up. This is where it stopped. And this is the 0, 0 is the pressure on your tire. 0 because it's not hooked up. So let's start from the beginning right here. There's the bike, 27 PSI. You could change it if you want to. You can custom pressure if you want by using this dial right here. It's pretty cool. It's pretty fast to move this dial. Next one will be a moped, electric bike, or any other medium-sized bike, 30 PSI. You could adjust that if you want. And then the tire for automotive, car, SUV, trucks. This up to 100 PSI, I believe. So if you crank it up right there, all the way to 100 PSI, that's the max. So you can, for the half ton, 1 ton, you can go 40 PSI, whatever you want, 45 PSI, depends on what you do, off-roading, you know, dirt, mud, racing. And then the last one is the ball, sports right there, volleyball, soccer, football, basketball, you know, 8 PSI. So basically, you know, you can set it up just one click away. Look at this. You don't need to dial anything, set it up the PSI you want. So let's say a bike, 30 PSI, set it up like that. And then you press start. There you go. So they say there's a quick smart tire inflator. You can see that there's all the dial right here. If you want to set it up the target range, and this is the range for your tire pressure, and this is what your target range will stop to. And there's a light right there, LED, really bright. Okay, there's a fan. There's 3 fans in here right there, 2 intake and 2 exhausts. It will suck cold air and it will move the hot air out from the pump, so it cools everything down while you're pumping your tires. So not bad, pretty sweet, handy. Right, so there's a charging port right there, Type-C cable, like Android cable for your phone. This will do inlet and outlet power. So basically, if you want to charge this, you plug it into the socket wall right here. There's accessories coming actually right here. There's the hose right there. There's that for your tire, bike, automotive tire, anything. And here's the type cable, type S. And then here's a little bit of accessories for your party balloon right there. Little nozzle for your party balloon. It goes in like that. Screw in there. And then there's a for your sports ball, soccer, volleyball, basketball, a little needle nozzle right there. So there's a lot in here. This is your let's talk about the charging cable. So here's a charging cable like that. You need to get a block to plug it into the wall here. Will charge this, or you could turn this on. It will use the power of this to your phone to charge it, the outlet. And then it says there, super fast charging. Cool. It will charge your phone that fast, I guess. And you can see right there the health of the battery is charging out. So this thing will do 2 things. It will charge your phone, it will charge your device, anything you want to use the power from this, or you could use the plug into the wall, charge your unit so that you could get a full battery power. All right, let's check this out to the vehicle and see how it works. All right, we got the Subaru right here. We're gonna test this out. Had a little bit of a leak on this tire, so let's find out what's the pressure using this gauge that I got here. So it's about 21, 22 PSI. So it's about, I don't know, about 3 feet of this hose. Well, you can see it's a 27 and the gauge said 22. So it's a little different reading right there. I don't know what's accurate, this one or this one. This is like about 2 years old, so who knows. You see 22 psi right there. All right, so let's set it up to 35.5. all right, 35.5 on this one. So I'm 27 right now, so we'll fire it up and let's see how it works. Oh, look at that. Off by 0.5. That's still okay. Did you hear that sound when it was like on a 34? It sound kind of low. It changed the sound because of the pump, because it's reaching out to the closest number here, so it kind of reduced the air so that you get that precise pressure on your tire when you set it up to 35.5. So it's not bad. It's still okay. You know, it's not that 100% accurate, but it's close enough. So I'll put the link down below to get one of these, and you get a discount. I believe it's 5% off to get a discount, so I'll put the link on the description, and you should get one of these, because I'm gonna get one for this car and then for that car as well. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and then I'll see you guys again on the next one.